Another paper that made the list this year also had a really noteworthy design. This study found an association between shingles vaccination and a lower risk of dementia. Can you talk about how the researchers set up their study to examine this association and why that was a smart way to do it?
Right. So observational studies of vaccines really are often prone to this healthy vaccinee bias. That is, that people who choose to be vaccinated are somehow different from people who choose not to be vaccinated. What these investigators used was sometimes called a quasi-experimental design. These investigators are using real-world data in Australia, and they took advantage of the fact that people were eligible for the vaccine in Australia if they were born after a certain date, and they weren't eligible for it if they were born before a certain date. And so, since the difference between the two groups is just the date, the idea is that these two groups are essentially going to be more equivalent. And that's what makes this study interesting and intriguing, in addition to the question, which was whether the vaccination for shingles actually has a relationship to dementia risk.